Hey y'all, it's Chimney. Welcome back to 16 Days of Black Panther. We are so close, y'all. We are so close to this movie being in our lives. Like, whew, okay, we're gonna get through it, y'all. We're gonna get through it, okay? Are you almost ready? Because I'm almost ready, okay? Tonight we're gonna do another DIY. This one is really on brand, you know? Throughout this series, there's been things that are very strongly Black Panther, some things that are not. This one is very on brand for Black Panther. It literally is Black Panther on a canvas. So let's get into the DIY, shall we? So for this DIY, you're gonna need a canvas. This one is 11 by 14 and it's from Michaels. You might recognize this sponge too. It's an old makeup sponge that I used in my black and white canvas DIY. You're gonna need some paint as well as some tape, and then you're gonna need the Black Panther logo. So what you wanna do is you wanna start cutting out the Black Panther logo. You really wanna be careful with this. Like, the closer you pay attention to detail, the better this will turn out. What you want to go ahead and do is tape the Black Panther logo to the canvas using the aforementioned tape. Next, what you want to go ahead and do is you want to apply that paint to the sponge. I just do a drop at a time and I just brush it all over. You don't want to, it's better to have more than less paint at first. And then you literally just stamp that sponge on top of the logo, making sure for like the letter H and the letter A, like all the places where like the letter raises up a little bit, you're making sure to sort of keep those parts in place. And then you just go ahead and peel off the stencil essentially, and here is the final result. I love how this turned out. I think it looks so cool. It kind of has like a jungle theme to it, honestly. Like, I just love it. It is the coolest DIY I've made yet, and then also of this whole like 16 Days of Black Panther series. That's the video, y'all. Thank you for watching. Y'all, we are so close. Okay. Have you subscribed yet? Like, go ahead and do that. Oh my gosh. Give me this like if you like the video. I just can't even talk right now. I'm just so ready, y'all. Like, it's so close. Okay. I just have to stop the video. So I'm just gonna stop. Okay. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow when the movie comes out. Yo, okay.